Wash your hands with some soap and water stands before you eat, after play. Keep those germs far away. Apples, carrots, rice and peas. Healthy food keeps us disease-free. Yummy fruits and veggies too help me grow as strong as you. Off to school, hooray, hooray. I learn and laugh and read today. Books and friends and teachers too. School is fun for me and you. Clean up, don't delay. Put your toys right away. Blocks and dolls all in a line. A tidy room feels so fine. Time for bed, don't be late. Brush your teeth, it's 8:30. Snuggle in and close your eyes. Dream of stars up in the skies. Good habits help us every day in all we do, in work and play. So let's be smart, clean and kind, and keep